Welcome to ELECTROONEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about BC547 transistor complete details, working principle, advantages, with best 5 equivalent transistors. The BC547 transistor is a very common NPN BJT, bipolar junction transistor, used in low-power switching and amplification circuits. Basic specifications: Type NPN, collector emitter voltage, 45 volts, collector current, 100 milliamperes max, base emitter voltage, 0.7 volts, power dissipation, 500 milliwatts, gain HFE 110 to 800, depends on version, A, B, C. Working principle of BC547. The BC547 works on the principle of current control. Structure: it has 3 terminals. Pin number 1, collector. Pin number 2, base. Pin number 3, emitter. Operation: when a small current flows into the base, it allows a much larger current to flow from collector to emitter. This is called current amplification. Modes of operation: cutoff region, off. No base current transistor off. No current flows from collector to emitter. Active region amplification: small base current amplified collector current. Used in amplifier circuits. Saturation region fully on. Maximum base current transistor fully on. Acts like a switch. In simple words, small input current controls a large output current. Advantages of BC547: easily available and very cheap. High current gain, good amplification. Low noise, good for audio circuits. Small size and easy to use. Suitable for both switching and amplification. Best 5 equivalent transistors. You can replace BC547 with these similar NPN transistors. BC548 transistor. Almost identical, slightly lower voltage rating. BC549 transistor. Better for audio, low noise. 2N39O for transistor. Very popular alternative worldwide. 2N2222 transistor. Higher current capability. S8050 transistor. Can handle more current than BC547. Common applications: LED switching circuits, audio amplifiers, signal amplification, relay driver circuits, sensor-based projects. Comment below the video and let us know which component details you want to see in the next video. If you enjoyed this video as a support to grow my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my video, and you can also get every upcoming update about my new video on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like those. Thanks for watching.